I'm Anjarhening Tyas.
I'm Putri Cahyani.
In this video, we are going to do a fun activity, which is join baking class to make bread and pastry.
The address is below. Stay tuned. To get to the place, you can take public transportation such as commuter line. We took the commuter line from Rawabuntu Station to Tanah Abang Station. It takes around 30 minutes. After arriving at Tanah Abang Station, we continue by taking an online car to Menteng Central Jakarta, and it takes around 15 minutes.
Finally, we arrived at our destination. Hi guys, if you want to learn making cake or baking cake, you can go to Chokro Cooking Studio in Jakarta. It wasn't long before the class started. The chef introduced themselves and explained the procedure. They are Chef Latif and Chef Miko.
We were also given a recipe book for guardians and aprons.
Before the cooking class started, we were divided into several groups. And because we don't know each other yet, we familiarize ourselves first.
We chatted for a while before the cooking class started. There were 4 of us in one group. This time, we will make 3 kinds of bread. There are chicken mushroom and cheese melt, choco melon pan, and fruit Danish pastry. Firstly, we weigh all the ingredients according to the measurements in the recipe. And these are the ingredients that have been weighed earlier. After that, all the ingredients are mixed in the mixer. While waiting for the bread dough in the mixer, it's time to flatten the pastry dough to the thickness indicated in the recipe book using a rolling pin. The chef approached our group, helped us directly, and also explained in more detail. Back to the bread dough that was mixed earlier until the consistency of the texture is like that. After that, the bread dough was distributed to each group and then flattened to remove the air bubbles inside and wrapped using a plastic mat to be stored in the refrigerator.
Before using the puff pastry, put in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Let's move on to the next menu, and the chefs explain again. We weighed again the ingredients for the second menu. are the ingredients. And we put all the ingredients into the mixer. After that, the process of rounding the bread dough, taught directly by the chef.
After the dough is whipped, the dough is then flattened and filled with meat. After being filled with meat, the dough is then topped with puff pastry. The dough is then given chocolate for the filling so that the chocolate doesn't come out. The dough has to be pinched, the lid up, and rounded to make it neat. Then wait for the dough to rise for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then brush the dough with egg yolk until evenly distributed. After baking for around 30 to 45 minutes, it's ready to eat. Because the cooking class has finished, we want to go to Sarina.
For your information, in Sarina there is the first escalator in Indonesia. There sells many crafts from Indonesia such as batik and other traditional tools. Then we go to Atsiri to find out several types of fragrance from natural ingredients. This is the inside of Atsiri Museum. It's time for us to go home. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Finally, this is the result.